The power styler has been cleverly designed to fit almost all flat-edged, straight hairdryer nozzles. Due to the different thicknesses of nozzles, you may find that the clip to attach the power styler can be a little loose. In this case, simply press the clips together firmly and this will tighten the clips enough to hold on to the power styler securely. Please note that the power styler must be tightly fitted before you start working with it. If the clip that holds the power styler becomes loose, again, simply press the clips together to tighten them securely onto the power styler and continue to use as usual.